Hey guys, got a 2018 plate Ford Mondeo here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, I'm going to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel on the dash. From here, I'm going to press right and go to your menus. Then scroll down, go to driver assist. Clicking OK, and keep scrolling down until you get to tyre monitor, then clicking OK. Then go to reset. So first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. You want to hold OK for a few seconds, the bar goes up, and then it will come up, notify you that the tyre pressure has been reset.